Welcome to Hawa Cuisine. Today my husband gonna be cooking today a fish stew today.
Hello, how's everyone? Alright, today we're gonna be cooking some fried fish stew, and these are the ingredients I'm gonna be using. We got some vegetables, we got green peppers, we got some onion. I just cut some onions and green peppers, yellow peppers also, and this is the green cabbage. What I like to do, I have some textures, which is a smaller cut of the vegetables, which I'm going to be frying, and these are the ones that I'm going to be blending in a blender. Okay, this is the fresh fish we bought yesterday from the fish market. So we're just gonna begin. All right, the step we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna just put some seasoning in the fish. This is the season I'm gonna be using. It's a chicken seasoning, so we use it a lot and it's very tasty. So we got the Maggi. This one is my favorite, and it's very cheap, and we just got it with a good price. So check it if you want to try it. It's very good. First step, we're gonna just seasoning the fish, and after that I'm gonna be frying the fish. The fish is well marinated. I just seasoned the fish very well, and right now it's ready to get fried. This is the oil. I think it's more hot right now. It's hot. It's not very hot, but it's just hot, the regular temperature. I'm just gonna put some right now. Alright. I'm just gonna start frying the fish. Take it. Place it into it. Very nice. It's time to fry the vegetables. We got some onion here and green peppers, and after frying this, I'm gonna fry this at least 5 minutes before and adding this the blended one. Those are blended, and I have a tomato paste, which is gonna give a nice color, red color to my soup. And after that, I'm gonna add this stuff. When it's boiled, when the water is boiling, after doing all this, you're gonna add now the fish at the final. Let's fry this one. The only reason I'm doing like this is because I didn't want to blend out the whole thing. I want to have some texture, inside the stew, and it's give a little nice, nice stuff, to the salt. So it's gonna be frying at least 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and after that I'm gonna add the blended one. Okay, this is how it's gonna look like after 5 minutes, and then it's time to add this blended one. So everything's gonna be put together. One thing you need to know, you have to keep mixing your food because you don't want the food to burn, You gotta keep mixing. Alright, right now I'm gonna just let this boil. It's gonna fry also at least 5 to 6 or 7 minutes. and I'm gonna just close it. But you're gonna come back and keep stirring it and mix it so you don't want the food to burn. Okay. While it was frying, the sauce was frying, and I added some green cabbage also, or hot peppers. And right now it's time to add the water. Since it's for big family, and I'm gonna add 2 of these. In my pot. Just 1. After adding water, now it's boiling. It's time to add the fish that I fried earlier. This is the fish, so I am going to add the fish right now. Everything is going to be cooking together. After that, I'm going to add the seasoning. Make sure your food is nice and salty. Not too much salt, but it's nice and salty. Okay. All right. Now it's time to add the fish. Just like that. Right now you don't want to mix it too much because this is the fried fish. You don't want your fish to crumble inside, so you want to keep it that way. Make sure you put it down, make sure the fish is reaching on the bottom of the pot. Okay, just like this. Okay, right now I'm going to add this cube Maggi. This cube Maggi is good. It's gonna give it nice and salt and taste to it. Also, we're gonna add these secret ingredients. It's called bay leaves. Bay leaves is very good. It kind of give a perfume to your food. And nice flavor to it. Just try it. If you're not used to it, you just add it bay leaf. And I'm gonna add this secret ingredient for my wife, sazon, Maggi stuff. It's very good. It's have a lot of stuff inside, so we're gonna do that and wait for the final. Hey guys, this is the final product. This is how it's supposed to look, and after everything, this is what I come up with. The oil is on top. Everything is ready now and nice and salty. I just want to say something to these guys out there. Those guys think like a woman don't deserve help. We all the same. Sometimes you just have to take over, help her doing some stuff. It's very, very good for your relationship. It's healthy, and it helps you save money. You don't have to go all the time to restaurant. Sometimes just cook for your family. Just take over. It's good for your children also. This is the final product, and thanks everybody. Thank you for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe. That's what helped us to make some videos again. Husband and wife in the kitchen. This is it. Thank you.